Are you watching this video, being born, and lying on your deathbed, all simultaneously at this exact second? Our brains process time like a film projector. We experience reality as a sequence of frames, where only the exact moment we're in right now feels tangible. The past feels like history that vanishes the moment it happens, while the future sits completely blank, waiting for us to draw it. But the mathematical equations that describe our universe indicate that feeling is a fabrication. The laws of physics suggest that every event that will ever happen might already exist, perfectly preserved in a static state. If the universe has already locked in tomorrow's events, your ability to make choices is a mirage. The decisions you think you're making were settled long before you were born. To understand why, we have to look at Einstein's theory of relativity. This framework shows that space and time are not independent dimensions, but stitched together into a single connected physical structure called spacetime. This diagram represents the block universe, modeling all space and time packed into a single rigid block. Every past and future moment sits stacked together. Moving through space changes how you cut through this block. Your speed and direction determine your slice of time. Because of this, a universal now is impossible. Your present moment is entirely subjective, dictated by how fast you are moving through the cosmos. Imagine an alien spaceship hovering 1,000,000 light-years away, completely stationary relative to Earth. You and the aliens share the exact same horizontal slice of the time block, experiencing the same present moment. But if a second spaceship flies away from us at high speeds, its trajectory through the time block angles downward. Its present moment now mathematically intersects with Earth's deep past. To them, humanity is still discovering the first galaxies outside the Milky Way. A third ship, flying directly toward Earth, alters its temporal angle in the opposite direction. Its current now aligns with humanity's distant future, a time when we might already have sprawling cities on Venus or Mars. Relativity operates on a strict rule called cosmic democracy. This principle demands that the perspective of every observer in the universe is equally valid. No single vantage point is the correct one. If that incoming alien ship is currently experiencing our distant future as their valid present, then our future must already exist. The script is written, the block is frozen, and our sense of agency is nothing but a trick of the mind. But that deterministic view hits a wall when we zoom in to the subatomic level. Quantum mechanics introduces a level of chaos that the frozen block universe struggles to contain. At this microscopic scale, particles don't follow rigid, predictable schedules. The exact moment a single radioactive atom decays is truly random. No formula or universal law can calculate precisely when it will happen. This unpredictability scales up. A randomly decaying atom can cause a genetic mutation in a single cell that radically alters the evolutionary path of an entire animal species. If the physical foundation of matter is genuinely unpredictable, the grand timeline cannot be completely finalized. That tiny element of quantum chaos leaves the door open for an unwritten future. To resolve this, physicists propose the growing block theory. The past is a frozen structure, with the present acting as a dynamic, uneven boundary above it. You travel upward from birth along your timeline, reaching the active edge. As those random quantum events finally resolve and take shape, they solidify. They pack new, permanent layers of reality onto the block, continually expanding the universe's history. The universe isn't a dead piece of cosmic ice. It is actively being forged right now, moment by moment, leaving you with the actual power to steer your own unwritten future. Physicists are still debating whether time is a growing block, a rigid static structure, or simply an emergent illusion created by deeper laws we don't yet grasp. Since we live in a universe defined by unpredictability, learning how to accurately model chance is one of the most practical skills you can develop. That's where Brilliant's Introduction to Probability course comes in. It provides the mathematical tools you need to interpret risk, run simulations, and navigate the deeply uncertain events of the real world. You can start mastering these concepts right away. Click the link on screen or in the description to start your free 30-day trial and take control over your own intellectual future.